VXRT stock analysis, VXRT stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Me myself, having done well over 42,000 videos, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Now, I'm looking at this thing now. With 71 cents, my previous idea was bearish only if the rules got met. And what happened was the completely opposite break. And this is why I love my strategy, because maybe people were going to start shorting here and they would have been wrong, right? For example, if I was just now waiting for rules. But I saw the shift, which is great. When it's pumping up like this, yeah, beforehand I got the sell side. This is why I was kind of continuing with the flow. But since it's pumping up like that, well, even weekly chart got kind of broken. So I'm looking to hopefully be a part of this long side, kind of like, yeah, let's say kind of midterm, not like long term. But the only thing that will matter is the confirmation. So I'm saying that once we open up on Monday, this is valid demand. So if there is a confirmation or any sort, then yeah, sure, looking to just double down myself and buy more. But other than that, it's all noise. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.